couple announcements before we get going. Amen. I feel like the Lord's troubling the waters up here this morning, and we're going to have a prayer service in just a few moments. And I'm believing that God's going to touch people. I really do believe that, Jackie, with everything in me. I believe God's able. But before we get cranked up and lose it here, Mary told me to remind everybody we're having a back-to-school bash this Thursday, August the 7th, from 5 to 8. Jackie, I hope you can come, and because we'll do devotions and everything with them. But if you can come, anybody and everybody can donate at least 30 minutes Thursday. You can figure it out, work it out. Just come. Let's bless the community, bless the kids for the back-to-school event. It's a blessing to be able to give. The Bible said it's better to give than to receive, and it's an honor to be able to do that. Amen. We need your help so we can make it go off without a hitch. We got a couple of churches partnered with us. It's just amazing what God is doing. Donations has come in, and it's just amazing what God's going to do in this school year. I'm believing that God can protect our children. And I believe we can have a moment, an opportunity to pray over every kid that's going to come through those doors and watch what God can do in their life. So you want to be here for that this Thursday. There will be no church Wednesday night. Jenna and some of the ladies will be decorating for the women's conference. Ladies, you do not want to miss it. Friday night and Saturday morning, you want to be here, see Jenna, see some of the women after church. You want to be here. They've got a lot of things planned. It's going to be a great move of God. Then finally, Sunday, y'all been sneaking around our back, but I think Sunday makes us almost 2 years being here Sunday. Amen. Amen. Oh, Venus is taking my mic from me. I don't know if this is a good thing or bad.
And he gave it to me. No, Sunday, we need side dishes, we need desserts, and we need drinks. If you can bring those. Sister Judy asked me to let everybody know at the end of the service. But this worked, right, sis? All right.
All right, you got that. That was a little commercial. We're only going to have one service on Sunday at 11 a.m. Yes, we're going to crowd in here, but we'll get chairs set out. We're not going to be able to do many more of these services combining the two, because good thing is we're just getting too big, and it's an honor. It's a great thing. We're just we had 68 for the 9 o'clock this morning. 68. Amen. We're well on our way to 100, and we're going to get there. And these 11 o'clocks, well, you look around, there ain't much seating. But God's going to work it out, and we'll have chairs set out. We'll have the overflow open. We'll make it work Sunday. You want to come so you can see some of the 9 o'clock people that you ain't seen in a while. Have a great time of fellowship. It's going to be an honor to be with you. So Sunday at 11 o'clock, you don't want to miss it. Amen. Somebody say, I'll be here at 11. Okay, you can't lie in the church, so I'm holding you to it. I better see you Sunday. Amen.